Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make chicken karahi.
Me.
Okay.
Come. Hi. Wanna say it again?
We're making chicken karahi.
We are making chicken karahi.
Yeah, first we're gonna put onions.
First we're gonna put onions and mix it together. We're gonna put it half high. We're gonna turn yellow.
And then we're gonna put
Chicken.
yes.
I'll cut a goat.
No, nice chicken.
It's in the goat and they cut the goat.
You have to cut the goat. But this is chicken, okay?
Yeah, and we're gonna put chicken in the onions. Now we're gonna put garlic.
Garlic paste.
Mama,
Yes.
just tell you about one. You know, I like watching Naruto because like the daddy had pie on his face with whipped cream, and the bird with Ryan like a cheek. I really want to go to party. Ow!
Okay, now I added salt in it, and then after frying for a little bit, then I'm gonna put turmeric powder, hल्दी, 1 teaspoon. Then we're gonna mix it. What happened? Mino.
So do it funny.
Mm-hmm.
I did this. I like it.
Then we're gonna put red chili powder, 1 tablespoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 tablespoon of red chili powder.
1 chicken.
Then we're gonna mix it.
Now we're gonna fry it.
Then we're gonna put garam masala in it, 1 tablespoon. After that, I'm gonna add some tomatoes, 4 of them, cut in small pieces. Then after that, I put yogurt, 1 cup. Mix it well and cook it.
Mama, now my feet are clean. I cleaned them. Can you turn your bed now?
Okay.
What?
Then I put ginger paste.
Paste?
I already had frozen ginger paste, so I added
Wow,
that
I love it. That's what I always like.
in it. No, I know you like chicken karahi. This is chicken masala karahi actually. Then I added 1.5 tablespoon of cumin. I like to cook it on a pan, on a dry pan before I add it in there. So give it a nice roasted flavor. It really helps to enhance the flavor of your karahi, any kind of karahi.
I like it, and I like to have her teddy bear.
Yeah, I got my teddy bear today. Who gave me a teddy bear?
Your dad.
My dad? My dad or your dad? Your dad. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna make sure all the water dries up, and this is the
water dry up, and we gonna boil it, and we gonna put butter, cook it.
We're gonna put 1 butter stick in it.
Then we go to put
Nothing. And then we're gonna let it cook.
cook and the butter. It's a great salad. Look at my teddy bear, guys.
I put some green chilies and
I wanna talk.
okay. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.